So one of your family members has been charged with a crime, and you're on the internet trying to figure out, how do I help them? How do I support them? What are the do's and don'ts to help my family member through this mess? You have to remember, facing criminal charges can be one of the most stressful and frightening times in someone's life. And if it's your loved one that's been charged, they may be feeling helpless, angry, unsure what to do. This is the time that you need to support them, because the support can make all the difference. Today I'm going to share some practical ways that families can support a loved one who is going through a criminal case and help them get through it unscathed. The first thing you have to remember is to stay calm and listen. This isn't your time to lecture somebody. If your kid gets picked up for a DUI or a drug charge, this isn't your time to say, "I told you so." You need to stay calm and listen. Talk to them, make them feel like they are supported. Tell them things are going to be okay. You're going to work with them. You're going to help them through this situation. Leave your judgment for another day. Your loved one may already feel overwhelmed. Being calm, being a steady presence gives them a safe space to process what's happening. Help with organization. Help them stay organized. They are going to have a lot more stress induced into their life. There's going to be court dates that they have to go to, lawyers' meetings, they may have classes they need to do, bond conditions they need to fulfill. Help your family members stay organized. Sit down with a calendar, paperwork, go through everything, organize their court dates. A simple calendar or a reminder system can prevent missed obligations that could hurt their case later on. Encourage communication with their lawyer. People hire a lawyer and they feel like they're bothering their lawyer to call them and ask them a question. That's what you hired your lawyer for, is to answer questions for you in this tumultuous time. Encourage the person, your family member, to be open and honest with their lawyer. They might feel tempted to hide something for their lawyer or not disclose something from their lawyer. This is the time in which they need to be completely honest with their lawyer and do everything that their lawyer says to do. So just remind them. A simple call on court dates saying, "Hey, don't forget about court today," or a call once a week to check in with them to see how they're doing, or a call saying, "Hey, have you talked to your lawyer? Maybe it's a good time to go over evidence with them or sit down with them about your case." Another thing you can do is just simply provide emotional support. Remind them they're not alone. Being charged with a crime and having your whole world turned upside down can be isolating. Having some family support can make the process way more bearable. Another thing you can do, and probably one of the most important things you can do, is just encourage them to avoid negative influences. People are under a lot more stress than they normally are. This is a time when someone that might have a propensity to drink starts drinking more than they should, or doing drugs, or looking for an escape. You have to remember that good decisions outside the courtroom can have a big impact inside the courtroom. Being charged with a crime doesn't just affect the individual, it affects the whole family. By staying calm, organized, offering support, being steady, you can truly make a difference in how your loved one navigates this situation. You need to get this phrase stuck in your head, and that is, "You're going to be all right." When your friend, your family member that's faced with a criminal charge calls you, just repeat that phrase. "You're going to be all right. This is going to work out. You just got to stay the course, listen to your lawyer, do the things that you're supposed to do, control the things that you can, and then we're here for you." Me, your family, whoever, the person that's on the other line, they are here for you in this tumultuous time.